So, good morning, candidates. Welcome to Area Activities Assessment Center for English and School. So, my name is Kayana Romeles and I am a candidate competency assessor for housekeeping. I have here my ID. So, let me acknowledge first the presence of Miss Casey Carabanido because she is just here to oversee. I will now check your attendance first. As I call your name, pay for and present privilege. Share your attendance, please click forward. Mr. Christopher Pass. So, hello, how are you doing? So, let's proceed for the doctor for your practical performance. You did it right satisfactorily. And also, the other question you answered is correct. So, congratulations, you are again, congratulations. So, hello, Mr. Pass, how are you doing? So, as I observed, you answered all the questions correctly, but you may lack something in your practical. But don't worry, we'll be still receiving COC if you will reassess anytime at your convenience into assessment center at your choice.